So, good afternoon, ma'am. For the problem, assume that Timbuki Corp is considering the possible rates of return it might earn next year on a 100,000 investment on stocks of FLI or a 75,000 on those of WEB Company. So for the first question, determine the following: standard deviation and expected return of FLI. So for FLI, negative 8% times 0.15 plus 15% times 0.70 plus 35% times 0.15. So negative 0.012 plus 0.105 plus 0.0525, and the expected return is 0.1455 or 14.55%. So for the standard deviation, with a probability of 0.15, 0.70, and 0.15, with a rate of negative 8%, 15%, 35%, and for the rate minus the expected return, negative 0.2255, 0.005, 0.2045, and for rate minus expected return squared, 0.05085025, 0.0000225, 0.04182025, and for the probability, 0.007627537, 0.0001417, 0.0062730375, and the total is 0.0139147. And for its variance, square root of 0.0139147 is 0.11796, with the result of 11.80%. 11.80% for FLI. So for the standard deviation expected return on web, negative 10% times 0.20 plus 20% times 0.80 plus 40% times 0.20, the result is negative 0.02 plus 0.16 plus 0.08, with the expected return of 0.22 or 22%. For the standard deviation, with the probability of 0.20, 0.80, 0.20, and for the rate, negative 10%, 20%, and 40%. For the rate minus the expected return, negative 0.32, negative 0.02, then 0.18. And for its square root, 0.1024, 0.0004, 0.0324, and for the probability, 0.02048, 0.00032, 0.00648, with a total of 0.02728. And for its variance, square root of 0.02728, with the answer of 0.165167, and then it resulted to 16.52%. So 16.52% for the web. Therefore, the investment which is riskier is web company, since it has the higher expected return, wherein the higher the return, the higher is the risk. And so for the question number 2, suppose the corporation will held a portfolio with investment in both FLI and WEB. What is the expected return of the portfolio, and what is the portfolio risk of the coefficient of correlation between the two is negative 0.65. So for the computation, Nasir Pili, Neopiaf, Nan Rofiaf, Nan Nevesbiaf, Wars, Neopwars, who the closer Rof Neves, the Biafid, lead, Urzurs, Neopwars, for the routes, Ursna Irofne, Skisserfoot no, who's Skisserzurs, Neopwars, Vitagan, Sal, Nan lead no. Skisserofors, Biafors, Neopwars, Sal, Skisneves, Wars, Nianid, Biafrofors, Neopwars, Ned. Biafskis now, Neop, Smiat, or is it now, or is now, Neop, Smiat, Biafitskis, Neop, or is it against Smiat, he the leader of Neop, Smiat, Nevasit, Neop, Smiat, who, Sal, Reoxut, Biafskis now, Neop, Smiat, Reoxit, the leader of Neop, Sal, or is it now, or is now, Neop, Smiat. Nereux Nevasit Neop. Serial of Naswat Befit Nebesser na Fatlat Wotan Nasir na what the closer that he be il weather of Nasir Pede of net. Ya let fat of Nasir Nevasit Fifa. He will babar earth they was Naswat Befit Nevasit the were of net. Nam 7 the Fanaswat there now. Red the beats. Yeah, let fat rofos. Nasir Biafit Nebes Neo, neat Nebes Hero. Biafir Biaf Neves now, Neopors, Seers na idos. Skis Rof Nianors, Neopors, Sal Biafir Nianut, Ors Neopors, Se Nasir Puti notes Niat, Nidit Rof Neop, Sal Nasir Biafit Neop, Nidof, Smiat Nevesit Neop. Nerd, your zero